Hello and welcome to Hybees Wheels. In the current scenario, just like a majority of other industries, the automotive industry is also facing huge losses and going through one of the worst times in history. However, 2020 has been the year of new launches, with a range of cars being launched until now and many others set to hit the market soon. Along with the highly popular, always in demand cars like Alto, Swift, Grand i10, Seltos, etc., these 7 cars will likely to be in forefront on the demand side from prospective buyers. Here is a list of some of the cars which can bring the auto industry right back on track. The first one, Hyundai Creta. Hyundai launched a new generation model for the Creta recently, and the new car gave away the previous generation model's conventional looks for a bold styling. The 2020 Creta shares its underpinnings with the Kia Seltos and is offered with the same 1.5-litre petrol and 1.5-litre diesel and also 1.4-litre turbo petrol engine powertrains as the latter. Just like the outgoing model, the 2020 Creta is loaded up to the brim with features including a panoramic roof, a 7-inch screen for the instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment screen, connected car tech, paddle shifters, ambient lighting, different driving modes and more. Second one, Maruti Suzuki Dzire facelift. The Maruti Suzuki Dzire received a mid-life facelift recently and the car is now being offered with Baleno's BS6 compliant 1.2-litre dual-jet petrol engine that comes with the ideal start-stop function. The engine puts out 90 PS power and 113 Nm torque as against the 83 PS 113 Nm the pre-facelift Desire's 1.2-litre engine made. The Dzire facelift also gets some new features in the form of cruise control, auto-folding ORVMs with welcome functions, a semi-digital instrument cluster, electronic stability assist with hill hold assist, as well as the latest version of Maruti Suzuki's SmartPlay infotainment system. Third one is Hyundai Verna facelift. The current generation Hyundai Verna received a mid-cycle refresh since it had been over 2.5 years since the current generation model had arrived in the country. Hyundai has equipped the facelifted Verna with a large cascading front grille that puts the car in line with Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design language. While some other minor tweaks have also been made, the 2020 Verna borrows Creta's 1.5-litre engine and diesel powertrain, along with the Venue's 1.0-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol motor that is rated at 120 PS by 172 Nm. The said engine is only offered with a 7-speed DCT gearbox. Hyundai has priced the updated Verna between Rs 9.3 lakhs to 15.1 lakh. Fourth one, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza Petrol. Maruti Suzuki has showcased a mid-life facelift of the Vitara Brezza at the 2020 Auto Expo, which brought along a few cosmetic tweaks and some new features as well. However, the biggest change was the discontinuation of the 1.3-litre DDIS diesel engine that was previously offered with the car, which has now been replaced with a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder NA petrol engine producing 1.5 PS power and 138 Nm torque. The Vitara Brezza has been one of the highest selling sub-4M SUVs in the country ever since its launch, and we believe the facelifted version will carry forward the nameplate success in the country. Number 5. New generation Honda City. Honda is all set to launch a new generation model for the City in the Indian market soon. And just like its predecessor, we believe that the new model will also be a hit. Honda revealed a few features that the new sedan would come equipped with, which include full LED headlamps with 9 LED shells, one touch electric roof, lane watch camera, Honda connected car tech with Alexa remote support, and etc. Apart from these 5 cars, there are 2 more cars which could be a game changer in the year 2020. That is Tata Nexon and next generation Mahindra Thar. The 2020 Tata Nexon. Tata launched a mid-life facelift for the Nexon in January this year, and the updated car has gained a lot of new features like an electric sunroof, a digital instrument cluster, tire pressure monitoring system, telematics service, etc. with the update, which puts it up against its future loaded rivals in the sub 4M SUV segment. The last, new generation Mahindra Thar. Mahindra has been working on a new generation model of this Thar since a pretty long time now, and test muse of the SUVs have been spied numerous times. On the outside, the updates will be evolutionary, not revolutionary, and overall boxy design will be retained. So let us hope the industry would gain its speed in the upcoming financial quarters. Thanking you, this is Chaitanya signing off.